Hey, Michael. Thanks again for taking my call this afternoon. This is Craig. As promised, I just want to get a quick video over to you, auditing your website and get your thoughts. If it's something we can help you with, great. If not, I understand and take these tips and use them as you will. I just want to go over three quick things with you. It's content on your website, it's citations, and it is referring domains and backlinks. So looking at your homepage here, it's a clean site. I like that there's not a lot of stuff popping in and out like I see a lot. Um, really you do need 1,500 to 2,000 keywords, or not keywords, but words of content on the front page. And of course, mixed in there will be authoritative keyword content that Google likes. Authoritative stuff that if people are searching carpet cleaning Alpharetta or carpet cleaning coming, they'll find you. Other little tricks is you need to save your pictures as they need to be saved as keywords as well. So, for example, this one just says image. You could save it carpet cleaning Alpharetta. This one right here, let's see, if I open this one, it does say carpet cleaning icon. Again, you want to save that as something as carpet cleaning coming or whatever. So you can save all your pictures as keywords. It's another trick to help rank you. But again, the biggest thing is just getting more content on this front page. And 1,500 to 2,000 words might sound like it's wordy, but you can always put in drop downs and make it look real clean and still have all those words on the front page. Number two, we know how important it is to show up in the map pack or the snack pack up top. Basically, companies showing up there often get 40 to 50% more leads. It's just path of least resistance for people searching on their phone or searching on their computer. They're going to call someone up top, especially if it's some kind of emergency situation. But and really that comes down to citations. The good news for you is your citations actually. Let me go back a page here. You're actually matching some of these guys like Steam Deluxe Cleaning and the Carpet Cleaning Company that were on the map pack. Your citations are almost the same number. So it really comes down to just the authority of the citations. If you click on them here, this shows you domain authority, basically how much they're respected. Being Yelp, Better Business Bureau, we'd make sure you're on all those and match them. And then really we would get you closer to 200 or 300 different citations. And again, what citations are is they're just directories where your business name, address, and phone number are listed. And again, we would get you on above and beyond all the people that are around 20, 30 showing up in the map pack. Obviously, it's not the only thing that matters. There's a number of other things. It does look like your Google My Business page is optimized pretty well. You have over 20 pictures. A lot of people don't even put pictures. But there's a number of things we can do to optimize that as well. But number one, I would start with citations. And then finally, obviously to show up in areas at the top of searches such as citrus carpet cleaners here, carpet cleaning and coming. I think they're actually out of Atlanta, but they made a landing page for coming. But really it comes down to referring domains and backlinks from other respected websites to yours. So you see you have 7 referring domains with 51 backlinks. This kind of shows your domain rating out of 100. Organic keywords, you don't have a ton, but here if we go into them, where we want to be is high search volume keywords, buyer intent stuff that people are going to search. If people search carpet cleaning coming Georgia, carpet cleaning Alpharetta, Georgia, you're on the 4th page. You're actually on the 2nd page with coming, which isn't bad, but we want to pick these high volume keywords and target them. The good news with all these is the keyword difficulty out of 100 is fairly low. Something like best carpet cleaners in Atlanta, for example, it's a little higher keyword difficulty, but these ones in coming and Alpharetta, they're not really hard, so there's something good to target, or we can move you up pretty quickly and get you on the 1st page on carpet cleaning Alpharetta, carpet cleaning coming. Again, that would be our goal, is to rank you up there. You look at a company that's number 1 or right up there on the front page, they're showing an 11 in their domain authority. Again, this is the citrus carpet cleaners, but here's the main difference. You'll see they have 230 referring domains, 1.74 thousand backlinks, 2.1 thousand keywords. So again, it's really just we would go in and match some of these backlinks and referring domains. And again, it's not just, they're not all created equal. You want to be on domains that have to do with carpet cleaning or home improvement websites like this. Obviously, if you're linked to a ice cream webpage or something, it's not going to do you any good. You want it to be, stuff that has to do with your business, home improvement, carpet cleaning, things like that. But that's what we do basically is we go through and see the people that are ranking well, we match them and then beat them. And it's not something that happens overnight, but it's something that can happen fairly quickly depending on the difficulty. And I generally try to find people before I call them that I'm confident we can move up fairly quickly. And again, as far as your website goes, you have a clean website. We can do a ton for a website if we built you a new one. As far as you can have when someone calls or texts you, it automatically sends a text. Basically nurtures your clients. There's a lot of things we can do with a website we build. It'll follow up with people automatically. It'll send reviews for Google. I see right now you have like 32. We would work on getting that up for sure. We could manage your Facebook page. I mean, there's a number of things we can do, or just clean up your website and fix the keywords, and ongoingly make sure you stay on top. But like I said, I appreciate you watching this. If there's anything I can help you with, just give me a ring anytime, and just shoot me feedback that you've watched it either way. And I definitely appreciate your time. Thanks.